Some people seem to be able to rank their sites on Google and practically place their site at the top of the search engines, whilst others can't seem to get their site to move from page 50. If you have, and you'd like to know how the top SEO professionals get their money sites to be seen by hundreds of hungry buyers every day, then this may be the most important video you ever watch. As honestly, how most people are recommending you do SEO is a recipe for disaster. I'm not saying that every bit of SEO advice you stumble across is absolute garbage, but a lot of the information out there is completely useless. It's either dated, too spammy to work long term, or too gimmicky to give you the results you really want. And because of the above, and many more reasons, it can be incredibly frustrating to try and rank your sites. I've personally lost count of the amount of times I've seen internet marketers toss hundreds and thousands of dollars away trying to game Google. Bad links, blog networks, link wheels, I've seen it all. And when you do SEO this way, the outcome is always the same. Your website gets hammered. It gets buried into the dark depths of Google. And you and your dreams of making easy money from SEO completely disappears. But what if it didn't have to be skeptical? But once you've seen me reveal the secret to ranking websites, I'm sure you'll think differently. Now, when I'm honest, it's not even really a secret. It's just good sense. And if you're clever, you'll see that building your websites and income streams this way makes more than just good sense, as I know for a fact you don't want to waste your time with crazy expensive PPC marketing. You don't want to waste your time with media buying or any of that other stuff the gurus love to recommend. And you definitely don't want to waste your time learning any other skill, as once you know SEO, you can pretty much be in business forever. And more importantly, you'll be able to drive all the free traffic you want to your offers. Sites always win. Then I think what I have for you today will be an excellent fit for you and your ambitions to own an SEO empire. It's called Ranking Miracle. And over the course of 5 modules that are absolutely rammed with value, you'll discover how to profit with SEO in a very simple way. To let you in on my ninja way of monitoring stats so that you know which areas of your site want to be scaled up and which areas want to be given a wide berth. After that, it's time for what is arguably one of the most valuable videos in the course. I throw out the textbook and give you a super simple blueprint to creating expert content so rapidly, you'll wonder why you ever struggled to produce the kind of content your audience loves before. I also want to touch on something else that's often overlooked. Great content. It's never finished, as it can always improve your conversions and return on investment, and the few gems I have to share with you on this subject will do just that. To conclude the 3rd module, you'll also find out why your closest competitors are secretly your best friends. They open up a wealth of opportunity for you, but more on that later. It's the 4th module now, and it's officially time to start moving your site into the money spots. First, I'll walk you through how to set up your bank linking campaign properly with social media. Secondly, I'll talk you through how to set up external sites with Web 2.0 properties. Thirdly, I'll reveal my deadly effective and previously top secret anchor text strategy. Finally, you'll see the exact day-by-day backlinking blueprint I use to deliver results. Excited? You should be. And you could argue I've saved the best till last. It's the 5th and final module now, and we're heading out in style. You'll discover how to build fast and effective sales funnels for your sites so you can always unlock the lifetime value of each customer. I'll tell you why a simple squeeze page holds the key to big paydays, and give you a detailed list of SEO tools that make outsourcing a lot easier, so you never have to spend too much time in the office. And in the final video, I even talk about hiring an SEO consultant. You know, one day you'll need a second opinion, or at least you'll want one to see if a few subtle changes can boost your earnings, and by simply asking a few choice questions, you can easily tell whether your investment is going to pay off. And that pretty much sums up how comprehensive Ranking Miracle is. It leaves no stone unturned, and gives soon-to-be SEO professionals the information they need to either rank their own websites or charge local businesses a small fortune to rank theirs. But first, you need to make the investment in Ranking Miracle, as simply watching this video isn't going to land you the online paychecks you're looking for. At this stage, you'd be forgiven for thinking this is going to be a pretty expensive day out. But if you scroll down the page now, you'll see that for an insanely low one-time fee, you can get your hands on my entire SEO blueprint and still have enough cash for a champagne and caviar dinner. You're also backed by my unconditional 60-day money-back guarantee. So if at any point in the next 2 months you're not seeing a huge improvement in how your websites perform, then you can just shoot me an email and I'll swiftly return your investment in Ranking Miracle, no questions asked. So, if you're someone that needs a blueprint that delivers real results, I highly recommend you hit the Add to Cart button now and sink your teeth into the only SEO blueprint you'll ever need. I'll